Big move for Tesla stock is coming as Tesla is scheduled to report Q2 2019 earnings after the market close next Wednesday, July 24th. Will Tesla surprise the stock market by delivering positive results that will generate a short squeeze, or will it report disappointing results that will have the bear growling? In this video, we will review some of the recent events that have happened for Tesla, the latest Wall Street earning estimates, the current analyst recommendation on Tesla stock, the stock performance from past earning reports, and most importantly, how big of a move is the stock market pricing in for Tesla's stock price after the upcoming Q2 earnings report. Let's go back and see how Tesla stock had performed in the past after it had reported its quarterly earnings. Going back 4 quarters, Tesla missed the stock market estimate in Q2 of 2018, and the stock went up 16% the following day. In Q3 2018, it beat the estimate, and the stock went up 9% the following day from previous closing price. For Q4 2018, it showed another profitable quarter but missed the stock market estimate by 27 cents, and Tesla stock went down 0.57% on the next day. A big miss by Tesla in Q1 2019, and the stock went down 4.26%. Will Tesla repeat a similar performance as it did after reporting Q3 2018 earnings, or will it repeat its disappointing performance after it had reported its Q1 2019 earnings? Let's go back and look at what happened to Tesla stock after Q1 2019 earnings report. Tesla stock price dropped from nearly 258 level to less than 177, a drop of almost 31% in 40 days, a price level that hasn't been seen since February 22, 2016. That's more than 2 years ago. Recently, Tesla reported a record number of vehicles delivered in Q2 2019. Tesla has delivered 95,200 cars in Q2, a record number above its previous record of 90,700 cars delivered in Q4 of 2018. In Q2, Tesla produced 87,048 vehicles. Here's the breakdown of the numbers. For Model X and the S, it produced 14,517 cars and delivered 17,650. For the Model 3, it produced 72,531 and delivered 77,550 for a total production of 87,048 and a delivery of 95,200. Also in the same report, indicate that the order exceeded the quarterly delivery. Therefore, it is entering Q3 with an increasing order backlog, and it is positioned to continue growing productions and delivery in Q3. Here's a chart showing the delivery for the last 6 quarters. A week ago, Bloomberg reported an email from the president of Tesla Automotive, Jerome Gillen, informing Tesla employees that it is making preparations to raise the output at the plant in Fremont, California, and it is resumed hiring for the Fremont facility and the Gigafactory in Reno, Nevada. Just in recent days, Barclays analyst Brian Johnson, a Tesla skeptic, have raised his outlook on Tesla stock with an estimate of a Q2 loss of 16 cents per share from his previous estimate of a loss of 71 cents per share. All these recent news have helped Tesla stock to regain some upside momentum from the recent low near $177. Now all eyes are on next week Q2 2019 earnings and its guidance for Q3 and forward. Here are the Q2 2019 estimate from the analysts. The average estimate is for a loss of 42 cents per share versus a loss of $3.06 a share a year ago. And the average estimate revenue is $6.42 billion versus $4 billion a year ago. And for the forward guidance estimate for Q3, it is expected a profit of 29 cents versus $2.90 a year ago. And the estimated Q3 revenue is $6.53 billion versus $6.82 billion a year ago. Here's a recap of the earning history and the current estimate trend. In the last 4 quarters, only Q3 beat the street estimate. All the other 3 quarters missed the estimate. And the estimate trend for the last 90 days is started out at 56 cents profit to a current estimate of minus 42 cents, a loss of 42 cents. And that's an improvement of 10 cents from the 7 days ago estimate. The current Tesla stock rating is a hold, with 8 out of 23 analysts rated a buy or a strong buy. And the average price target is $277.50. Before we continue, let me take a moment to remind you to click the thumbs up if you like the contents in this video. If you are not a subscriber on my YouTube channel, click the subscribe button and the notification icon so you won't miss any of my future video. And thank you for your support. Moving on to Tesla stock charts. From this weekly chart, we see Tesla stock traded in the range of $178 to around $288 during the January 2014 to February 2017. Then it traded in the range of $248 to near $390 during March 2017 to end of April 2019. Then it dropped back to the prior range low of $177. Last week, Tesla price moved back above the $248 level and closed at $258.18. Will Tesla stock trade back up to the prior range high near the $390 level and higher, or will it drop back to the prior range low of $177 or lower after next week Q2 earnings report? The market is currently pricing in a post-earning move of plus or minus $19.74, or a 7.6% move. Based on the last closing price, the upper target is somewhere around $277.92, and the lower target is $238.24. Here's a daily stock chart of Tesla with a composite volume profile from the last swing high to the current price. And the volume profile is a histogram of the traded volume. Each horizontal bar on the volume profile represents the volume traded at that particular price level. For those that would like to learn more about the volume profile, subscribe to my channel and click that notification icon, and you will be notified when I release my video on how to use volume profile on your stock analysis. On this chart, I also highlighted these low volume area in the light blue color. These low volume areas have a tendency to act as support and resistance. If the price move up into these low volume zone, it has a tendency to act as potential resistance, such as here and also here. And when the price move down to the low volume zone, it have a tendency to act as potential support. As you can see, the price have moved up and broke this trend line. So what I'm looking at right now is for the price, such as next week after the earning, if the price will move up to this projected move of the high target of 277.92, then essentially we see that there is a low volume zone up here near the 281 level that could potentially act as resistance, and that could reject the price back down and try to chop around back to this composite volume point of control. If the earning report turned out to be disappointing, then I would expect the price to come back down. And the first level of potential support will be this 246, essentially this low volume zone here, to see would it be able to provide some support. If it's not, then the next level, which is down here at this low volume zone, somewhere around 337.57, which is close to the projected lower price target of 238.24. So those are the areas that I will be keeping an eye on, is these, basically this low volume zone somewhere around 237 and this low volume zone up at the 277 level, and see would it be able to break through above this 277 and move up toward the value area high somewhere around the 322 in the near future. But if it comes down and tests this 237 and then unable to hold support, then I basically are looking for this value area low somewhere around 222 get tested. Tesla is definitely setting up for some sort of big move. Wish you the best of luck on all your trading, and thank you for watching.